Muguthurano wa mahenya ma mwaka uyu ma safari rari ri gutwaritwo nginya mweri wa Januari hindire magatirihwo thutha wa ikereka ria Top Fry kurika kaunti-ini ya Naikuru muthia wa kiumia kuria rirahotirwo ni ndereba On Kairai. Ikereka ria mugwanja na ria mwisho rungu rwa Kenya Motorsports Club rigatabanio gatagati ga tariki 13 na tariki 14 mweri wa mwambĩrĩrio mwaka turorete. Gatagati ka matereba aria mararũĩrĩra ndereba njorua wa mwaka wa 2017 ni hamwe na muhotani wa ngoga ino maita matano Ian Duncan, ndereba Kyle Tudo na Baldev Chaja. Duncan utongorete ukinyiria riu ari na point 108, Tudo akarumirira na point 103 guku Chaja akiganira na namba 3.
I don't think we've won a rally, but we've done lots of seconds and good positions, and then yeah, this one was pretty hard, so it was down to seconds.
Haduini ha methe ya mathako ya Kameme TV. Riakwa ni Muguri wa Karuiru.